Welcome to our channel. To access a Firestick app without requiring a subscription using a downloader code in 2025, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your Amazon Firestick and make sure it's connected to the internet. Step 2. Launch the downloader app from your Firestick home screen. If you need to install it, get it from the Amazon App Store. Step 3. Click on the URL bar in the downloader app to bring up the keyboard interface. Step 4. Type in the no subscription downloader code. Enter it exactly as shown for best results. Step 5. Hit go to start the download process. The subscription-free app will begin downloading. Step 6. After the download completes, tap Install on the installation prompt that appears. Step 7. Open the app and enjoy free access to movies, shows, and live content without needing any monthly subscription. Step 8. Stream unlimited content completely free with no hidden fees or subscription requirements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.